To understand the map of 2026, we must first understand the scar. As Dolores's investigation dove deeper, the narrative shifted. It was no longer a conversation about mere geology. It became a masterclass in karmic physics. Through the subconscious, a chilling reason for the coming changes began to emerge. A reason buried beneath spiritual lines of tension that have remained taut for 12,000 years. Atlantis was not a fable. It was a sprawling, galactic experiment, a theater where souls from across the infinite cosmos gathered to experience the pure, heavy weight of physicality. But as we know, the experiment collapsed. It buckled under the stifling weight of its own technological arrogance. Have you ever wondered why the world feels so heavy near our modern seats of power? The superconscious revealed that the catastrophe of Atlantis was fueled by the violent misuse of massive crystal technology. This was not a simple explosion. It was a metaphysical trauma that carved a profound energetic scar into the very crystalline grid of our planet. The crystals did not vanish. They lie dormant. They are waiting in the silent, pressurized depths of the area you call the Bermuda Triangle. They are the beating heart of a karmic imbalance that radiates outward, anchoring the old world in a frequency of control. Look at the map. The highest concentration of these ancient karmic grids lies directly beneath the east coast of America and Western Europe. These are the exact coordinates where the Earth must now purge the memory of the fall. Let us look at the first epicenter, the United States. Dolores's sessions described America as the new Atlantis. Because of this, the superconscious identified it as the primary zone for karmic cleansing. The vision was broken into three distinct vibrational zones. Zone 1, the West Coast, the cleansing of Mu. The warnings for California and the Pacific Northwest echo the work of Casey, but Dolores provided the soul-level anatomy of the disaster. The land itself has a memory. The subconscious explained, the West Coast was once part of the ancient land of Mu. It holds a deep cellular trauma of great destruction. There is a part of the land's own consciousness that longs to return to the sea, to be purified. This will not be a single, cataclysmic, big one. Instead, it will be a series of escalating waves, a gradual breaking off, a sinking. The information suggested a progression starting in Southern California and moving north along the San Andreas Fault. But there is a silver lining. This process is vibrationally paced, giving those who are awake, those who listen to their intuition, ample time to migrate inland toward the higher ground. Zone 2, the East Coast, the Atlantean reckoning. If the West Coast is about the land sinking, the East Coast is about the water rising. This is the reckoning for the old financial control systems. The superconscious was vivid. The coastlines you know will not remain. New York City, the very nerve center of the old world, will find itself largely reclaimed by the tides. Florida, a landmass that has risen and fallen countless times in Earth's history, was described as almost entirely submerged. This is tied directly to the Bermuda crystals. As the frequency of the planet shifts, these ancient power sources will reactivate, creating a vast energetic displacement of water that our modern coastlines are simply not prepared to hold. It is a great washing, a purification of the old centers of power. Zone 3, the safe harbor, the central corridor. Amidst these stark geopolitical warnings, there was always a blueprint for survival. The spine of the continent will hold. The superconscious consistently identified the interior, the Rocky Mountains, the Great Plains, and the high deserts as the safe zones. The center of the country will be the harbor, the sessions revealed. The Rockies will stand firm. The Great Plains, which were once an ancient seabed, will become the new heartland of the new Earth. However, even here, wisdom is required. The information warned of the expansion of the Mississippi River and the Great Lakes. The key is not just a state on a map. The key is elevation, both physical and vibrational. Edgar Cayce provided the what. He saw the breaking of the land. But decades later, Dolores Cannon declassified the why. She revealed that the Earth is not a victim. She is a living consciousness performing a spiritual detox. The ancient debt is being called in.